I hate your guts, Gary Ridgway, and your day is coming soon.
Years after his murderous spree came to an end, the Green River Killer once again faces justice. As time takes its toll on Gary Ridgway, the number of victims grows once again, now to 49. The nation's most notorious serial killer spent his 62nd birthday pleading guilty to another Green River murder.
Becky Marrero's remains were found last December, 29 years after her family last saw her. But their anger is as fresh as if it had happened yesterday. King 5's Tanya Mosley begins our coverage from the Kent Regional Justice Center. Tanya.
Jean, there was so much emotion in that courtroom, even the judge choked up. There were families of other victims there, and there were the Romeros, whose pain quickly turned to anger. He walked into the courtroom like he's done many times before. For the Marreros, this is the first time, the moment they've been waiting 29 years for, and it's bittersweet.
How do you plead to the crime that's been charged?
Guilty. Guilty of murdering Becky Marrero December 3rd, 1982. She is Gary Ridgway's 49th victim. Her 79-year-old mother, Sister Mary, and a niece she never got to meet walked up to the podium past Ridgway and spoke for Becky.
He's a waste of society and a waste of space. If I had one thing to ask you today, it would be kill him. He has beat the system just like he beat his victims. I know he will burn in hell because you can't be God.
With a stoic look on his face, Ridgway appeared to listen.
I ask you again, what do you have to do in the state of Washington to get the death penalty?
But under a 2003 plea agreement, the judge's hands were tied.
Usually, when I sentence an individual, even for the most serious of crimes, I reach out with some humanity. In this case, I cannot. I can find no compassion.
Ridgway has been spared the death penalty in exchange for leading investigators to the bodies of the others. When it was his turn, he actually stood to speak to the Marreros.
I'm sorry for saying out. Don't say anything. Just out. The family through all this thing. Shut up.
Sir.
There were no words he could say.
We wanted the death penalty.
Now, the judge ordered Ridgway to pay a $50,000 fine, and this is the first time a judge has ever asked him to do that. His attorney says he won't be able to pay, though. He's in solitary confinement, and unlike other prisoners, he is not able to work in the prison. Reporting live in Kent, Tanya Mosley, King 5 News.